Hi, Finnegan. Hi, Buddy. You had the hiccups? Yeah? Do you have the hiccups? Yeah? You kicking those toys? Gotta kick them. Get them. Oh, got a little bit of drool. Got a little bit of drool on your face. A little bit of slobber. Yeah? Is that what happened? Yeah. Then what happened? Yeah. Yeah. Gonna tell Mommy the story? Yeah. Talk to me about it. Talk to me about your feelings. Yeah. How'd it make you feel, Finnegan? Oh. Yeah. Hi. Hi. You gonna smile? You gonna smile? No, Mama. No, I don't want to smile when you turn the camera on. I'll just smile for you after you turn it off. Yeah. Yeah. When you turn it off, I'll smile for you. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Uh-huh. Is that what happened? Yeah. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. I like when you're chatty in the morning when you laugh. Yeah. Before you get cranky and need a nap. Yeah. You're so cute. I can barely take it. I can barely take it. What are you looking at? Are you looking at the camera? You're looking at the camera? Not anymore, Mommy. Now you're looking at the fan. Oh yeah, that light's too bright though. It hurts your eyeballs. That light's too bright. It hurts your eyeballs. Should we make her a scary voice? Yeah. What was that? What was that? What was that? Huh? Was that Mommy? Yeah. Pretty good. Yeah. Yeah. No, you don't like that voice no more? Sometimes it makes you laugh. Sometimes it does. Finnegan. Yeah. What are you looking at? The wall? Yeah. Hi. Good morning, Finny. Good morning, baby. Good morning, chatty baby.